Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy again from Chayatsuji Kimono. So today I'm going to show you my personal way of tying a Furisode Obijime. Now, just kind of a little disclaimer. Furisode Obijime, especially those with three different strands, they can be tied any way you like. There is no certain or pre-prescribed way of tying them, which makes them, for some people, kind of a bit confusing because they're not quite sure how to tie it, but just take it from me, any way you tied it is perfectly fine. Yeah, like I said, this is just my personal way of tying it. Like one side I just always do it the way I do it normally, but the other side I mix it up every time I do wear it. So yeah, I don't really have much else to say than let's grab your Furisode Obijime and tie it with me. Okay, so I just grabbed my Furisode Obijime. Now with most Furisode Obijime, they have these kind of pearls or embellishment. They generally goes either on just slightly to left or right or in the middle, so that the knot is on either side. What I do is making a normal knot like always. And then I go underneath, all three please, and then go under and then making these waves almost. And with this, I generally just like to do something that I like. Just like I said before, Furisode Obijime are generally, or how do you say it? It doesn't really matter how you tie them, or everything goes basically. You're completely free to tie however you like them. Just move this one slightly up. Yeah, that is pretty much how I tie it. It's my own way, it doesn't have to look like that. You can pretty much tie it any way you want. So yeah. There you go. So I thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Bye guys.